How to use Wise to send money to 50 plus countries. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Wise to send money to 50 plus countries. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First thing what you'll need to do is open up your Wise account. So make sure that you have your Wise app and logged in into your account. After you've done that, you will need to head over to your home tab on your app. So from the home tab, you'll find it on the bottom left. There you will find the send button. Tap on the send button. And after you tap on send button, you can then enter out the currency. So enter out the amount that you want to send. So let's say that I want to send $100 to someone. And now you can choose what you want to transfer by. So if you tap on the change button right here under the paying with section, you can transfer through wire transfer. You can use a debit card. You can use a credit card. And yeah, there are multiple methods. And you can also see when it arrives by. And now you can add a recipient. So tap on add recipient. And after you do that, you can then enter out their bank details. Tap on bank details if they don't have Wise. Tap on bank details, tap on someone else. And now enter out their full details. After you enter out their full details and then tap on continue, you can then move on with the transfer. And that's how you can use Wise to send money. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.